I'm gonna show you how to input indicators on Tradingview mobile app. So to get started, you have to open your application Tradingview, and once there you will see your charts right here. And then after that, how to input indicator is just as you can see on the lower pane. You can either swipe it to the left and right, so you can see all the settings right there. So all we have to do is just click here, and then you will see that there's the indicator icon right there, and you'll have to just click that, and then from there you will search all of the indicators that you want to be appeared on your chart. So for me, I'm just gonna click on volume, and then you will see that your volume is added to the chart, or either you can add more indicators from here. I will say EMA, and then I'm gonna click on moving average exponential, and then you will see that it's added also on the chart. So as you can see, the indicators are now added on the chart. So that's how you add indicators on mobile Tradingview app.